What is Claude Code? Claude Code is an agentic tool that can read your code base, edit files, run commands,
and integrate with your development tools.
but did you know you can power entirely with Ollama? First, make sure that you have Ollama running. If you didn't set up Ollama, then just watch my video and set up Ollama first. After that, run this command in your terminal. It will take few minutes. Now, instead of using Claude subscription, we want to point Claude to our local Ollama instance. So to do that, we have to run Ollama launch Claude command. Now we have to select a model. So I'm selecting GPT OSS model. Yes, I trust this model. What is 2 plus 2? And you can see the answer 4. Now let's use Claude for some real world application. So I built this application which is basically to query a data from DynamoDB inside CSV format. So now to use Claude Code inside your application, we have to simply type Ollama launch Claude. Similarly, we have to just select the model and then it will open the terminal. And after that, if you never use Claude Code inside your application, so first thing you have to do is type init. What it do exactly is like creating a claude.md file which basically read your code base and generate a basic information for Claude, so that next time when you run any command, it has context like what this project is about. Now Claude wants to write this claude.md file, just click on yes. You can see that inside our application we have claude.md file. If you can see that in this application we don't have unit test cases, maybe we can ask Claude to write a unit test cases for this function. Now as you can see that Claude asks us to approve these changes, that we are okay with these changes or not. Just click on yes, and now you can see that unit test written successfully. That's how you can use Claude with Ollama without paying subscription to Claude.